Morning everyone. So today we will do the quick revision of chapter number 2, and that is for polynomials. Chapter number 2, polynomials. We have finished this chapter yesterday, है ना? हमने कल ही ये चैप्टर खत्म किया है. So before starting the new chapter, that is chapter number 3, let me recall the things that we have learned in this chapter. हमने ये पूरे चैप्टर में जो सीखा है in chapter number 2, let me do the quick revision of it. So first of all, the name of the chapter is polynomials. It means it is divided into two parts, that is poly and nomials. Poly means बहुत ज़्यादा, many, and nomial means terms. So polynomial का meaning क्या है? It will have many terms. An algebraic expression in which there are many terms is known as what? Polynomials. तो पहले polynomial का meaning क्या है? Many terms, जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा terms हो. Then when we started the chapter, first we have learned what? Algebraic expression. सबसे पहले हमने क्या सीखा था? Algebraic expression. And algebraic expression का meaning क्या था? Variable into constant, and the power of variable is what? A rational number. है ना? Algebraic expression means what? Constant, that is suppose c, into variable, and the power of variable can be any rational number. So let me do the quick examples of algebraic expression. Any constant, suppose 7, into variable upon x, and the power of variable must be rational number, say 1/2. So this is one of the example of algebraic expression. Similarly, minus 1/7 y raised to minus 4 is again what? One algebraic expression, because constant into variable, and the power of variable is what? A rational number. Again, what is the meaning of rational number? Any number r is said to be a rational number if that can be written in the form of p by q. अगर कोई नंबर p by q के फॉर्म में है तो उसे रैशनल नंबर कहते हैं. So I hope algebraic expression, the quick revision of algebraic expression is clear. Using this we have defined what? Polynomial. इसके ऊपर से हमने polynomial सीखा था. Then polynomial is what? An algebraic expression in which constant into variable and the power of variable must be what? A whole number. याद है सबको? Again, polynomial is what? Polynomial is a special case of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression का special case है polynomial. और polynomials में क्या होता है? Constant into variable, but the power or degree of variable must be what? A whole number. यहाँ पे rational number means कोई भी नंबर आ सकता था, but polynomials में the power of variable must be what? Whole number. It means, for example, first of all, that 7x raised to 1/2 है, ये algebraic expression होगा, but this is not a polynomial. Why? Because the power of variable is 1/2. I hope it is clear to everyone. So let me take some of the examples. Constant into variable. So say constants with any number, say 1/7. Constant into variable, say y is one of the variable, and the power of variable must be whole number. Suppose say 15. So this is what? This is one polynomial. Some another example. √2 is one constant into variable. Now let me take variable as a z. Variable can be any alphabet. So root 2 into z. Again, the power of variable must be what? Whole number. So let 0, because 0 is what? A whole number. It means z raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 is what? 1. So these two are equal. Root 2. It means from this we can say this, any constant number is also what? Polynomial. Any constant number, say 5. 5 is what? A constant polynomial. So first of all, what we have learned? Meaning of polynomial, many terms. Then we have understood what? Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression का meaning क्या होता है? Constant into variable. Power of variable can be any rational number. Polynomial is what? Polynomial is a special case of algebraic expression in which the power of variable is what? A whole number. Yeah? So difference between algebraic expression and polynomial is what? The power or degree of variable is what? A whole number in polynomial. So we can say that every polynomial is an algebraic expression. सारी की सारी जो polynomial है वो तो algebraic expression होंगी ही, but every algebraic expression may or may not be a polynomial. Why? Because यहाँ पे तो rational number है, तो rational number में तो whole number से ज़्यादा numbers आएंगे, तो whole number के अलावा जितने भी number है वहाँ पे ये polynomial नहीं होगा. But if it is a whole number, then we can say, so this is polynomial as well as we can say this is algebraic expression. So every polynomial is algebraic expression, but every algebraic expression 7x 1 by 2 is an algebraic expression, but this is not a polynomial. So these are the basic things that we have learned. So let's move forward. उसके बाद दूसरी हमने क्या चीजें सीखी थी? Terms, coefficients and डिग्री. तो उसका क्विक रिवीजन करते हैं. उसके लिए पहले एक पॉलिनोमियल लिखते हैं. लेट 7x³ minus 4t x raised to 7 plus 50. This is what? One polynomial. Now how many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. So this is the polynomial in x. है ना? ये क्या है? This is one polynomial with variable what? X. So this is one polynomial with variable x having how many terms? 3 terms. So now first thing, coefficient of, अब देखो coefficient का मीनिंग क्या है? Coefficient means the constant which is multiplied with what value. Suppose coefficient of say x³, तो x³ का कोएफिशिएंट क्या होगा? x³ के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन में जो कांस्टेंट है वो. So the coefficient of x³ is 7. Similarly, coefficient of x raised to 7 is what? Minus 40. Now coefficient of x raised to 0, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. Coefficient of x raised to 0 is what? यहाँ पे आएगा 15. Why? Because 15 के साथ कुछ नहीं है तो x raised to 0 तो होगा ही. x raised to 0 is 1. So instead of writing x raised to 0 1, I can write x raised to 0. So coefficient of x raised to 0 is 15. So I hope you understand what is the meaning of coefficient. Coefficient means whatever will be the constant that is multiplied with the variable is known as what? Coefficient. Now second thing, that is what? Degree of the polynomial. Again, degree of the polynomial का मीनिंग क्या है? हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे वेरिएबल क्या है? x. तो x का हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है? यहाँ पे पावर है 3, यहाँ पे 7 और यहाँ पे 0. तो हाईएस्ट पावर इज 7. सो डिग्री ऑफ द पोलिनोमियल का मीनिंग क्या है? हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ variable in the given polynomial. तो यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है 7, so degree of polynomial is what 7. Again, to find the degree of polynomial, what you must understand first that the given expression must be polynomial. ये polynomial होनी चाहिए, then only you can find its degree. Suppose the same question if I just change the power of x, that is -3, यहाँ पे x की पावर अगर मैं -3 कर देता हूँ, then what will be the degree of the polynomial? अब तो ये polynomial ही नहीं है ना, because the power of x is -3, then this is not polynomial, this will be now algebraic expression, तो इसकी डिग्री नहीं मिलेगी. Why? Because this is what an algebraic expression. If I change x raised to 3 by minus, so these are the basic terms, that is what coefficient and degree of the polynomial. After that we have learned root of the polynomial, and polynomial का root किसे कहते हैं. For example x plus 5 है, तो x plus 5 में मैं x की जगह पे क्या रखूंगा, then it will become 0. It means x plus 5 0 कब होगा, when I will take x is equal to -5. Yes or no? So when I put, this is our polynomial px, so when I take x is equal to -5 in px, it will become 0. You can see that if I take x is equal to -5 in what px, and px is what x plus 5, x plus 5 में x की जगह पे -5 लूंगा, तो -5 plus 5 0. So for which value of x the polynomial becomes 0, that value is known as what, 0 of polynomial. And what is the meaning of 0 of polynomial? Any number a that when we replace in px it must be 0. अगर कोई वैल्यू a ऐसी हमें मिलती है that we replace in the polynomial and if it becomes 0, then that will be known as what, the 0 of the polynomial. Let me do the quick examples. For example number 1, if I am having 7x plus 5, तो इसका 0 क्या होगा, we have to find value of x for which it will become 0. It means ये 0 कब होगा, 7 plus 5 will be when 0. Suppose 7x will be what, -5, so x will be what, -5 by 7. So this is what 0 of polynomial px, and suppose this is what polynomial px. Again, what is the meaning of 0 of polynomial? Such values of x for which when I substitute x by -5 by 7, let me check what I will get. 7 7 cancel, -5 plus 5, that is 0. Such values of x for which the polynomial becomes 0 is known as what, 0 of polynomial. I hope it is clear to everyone. So we have also discussed this. Now if there is only one term in polynomial, then it is known as what, monomial, है ना. मोनोमियल का मीनिंग क्या है, वन टर्म. फॉर एग्जांपल 7 और 8x or 14x cube, anything like that. If there is only one term in a polynomial, then it is known as what, monomial. Similarly, if what is binomial, if there are two terms in polynomial, 2 by means 2, then it will be known as what, binomial. Again, binomial का meaning क्या है, there must be two terms in polynomial. So for example -11x plus 14x raised to 17. Binomial means polynomial which is having exactly two terms. Also we have seen what trinomial. अब ट्राई का मीनिंग है थ्री, तो ट्राइनोमियल का मीनिंग क्या होगा? अ पॉलिनोमियल व्हिच इज हैविंग हाउ मेनी टर्म्स? एग्जैक्टली थ्री टर्म्स. लेट मी टेक वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल. 10x plus 5x square minus 15x cube. So this is polynomial in which there are three terms. So this is known as what? Trinomial. So monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial means polynomial having one term. Binomial means polynomial having two terms. Trinomial means polynomial having three terms. Okay. After that, we have learned what? Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Right? Linear polynomial. So first of all, linear polynomial किसे कहते हैं? If degree of polynomial is what? 1, then it will be known as what? Linear polynomial. It means जो भी polynomial की डिग्री 1 हो, डिग्री means what? Highest power of the polynomial. If highest power of the polynomial is 1, then the degree is 1, it means it is a linear polynomial. And what is the standard form of linear polynomial? Ax plus b. And examples: 10x or minus 55 by plus 10, etc. Again, the degree of polynomial is 1, then it is known as linear polynomial. And quadratic polynomial. तो सीधी बात है, if degree is 1, then it is a linear. Then quadratic में क्या होगा? Degree must be what? 2. अगर कोई polynomial की डिग्री 2 है तो उसे क्या कहेंगे? Quadratic polynomial. And what is the standard form? ax squared plus bx plus c. This is the standard form of quadratic polynomial. Again, there are infinitely many examples. Let me take one of the example. It means 10x square minus 5x plus 100. You can see that in this polynomial, the degree of polynomial is 2. So this is what? A quadratic polynomial. Similarly, now let me check what the last term, that is what? Cubic polynomial. So simple बात है, उसमें क्या होगा? Degree of polynomial, it will be what? 3. If the degree of polynomial is 3, then it is known as what? Cubic polynomial. And the standard form is what? Ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. And any of the example you can take 10x cubed minus 12x squared plus x minus 9. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay. And we have learned what? Remainder theorem and factor theorem. So remainder theorem का use क्या है? To find the remainder. When we divide one polynomial with another polynomial, how can we get the remainder? For that we are using remainder theorem. And factor theorem हमने कैसे सीखा था? To do the factorization of polynomial, we can use factor theorem. So remainder theorem, then factor theorem. Okay, this we have discussed. After that, we have discussed some of the identities. That is, first one was x plus y is cube, that is x square plus 2xy plus y square. Then we have discussed what? X minus y square, that is what? X square minus 2xy plus y square. Then we have discussed what? X square minus y square, that is x minus y into x plus y. Then we have discussed x plus a into x plus b, that is x square a plus bx plus ab. After square, we switch to what? Cube. So x plus y cube, that is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into bracket x plus y, and similarly x minus y cube, that is x cube plus y cube minus 3xy into bracket x minus y. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 identities we have done. Last seventh identity, that is x plus y plus z square, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz and 2zx. This is also one of the identity. And the last identity, that is identity number 8, and that is what? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. So after learning the factor and remainder theorem, these are the 8 basic identities that we have used in chapter number 2. Apart from this, also we have verified 2 to 3 examples that can be also considered as what? Identities. Right? So this is the basic revision of what we have done so far. So today we will stop here. So we have done the big revision of chapter number 2, and we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 3 from Monday.